My fucking god. There is a giant fucking vulture. Look. Oh my god. I'm trying to deliver food and this fucking fat ass is right here. He has no game. Oh my god. He is huge in person. I don't think you understand. He's eating a bunny or something. What is that? Other than yuck. Is he gonna move? Like, oh my god, it's a big fucking Benny! Oh my god. He's taking the whole fucking thing, bro. Bro, that thing is huge. Can you get your meal to go, please? Get it and go. Go. Bro, get it. Come on. I got shit to do. Come on. Can you stop taking bites? Oh, he's ripping it up. He just ripped the head off. Ugh. Just kidding. I've seen worse. This is nothing. He is he's not nice. Now I know why their heads. Look at him. Oh! Oh my god. I can't believe I got that on video. I am so sorry. I'm going to put a fucking warning label on here. Hey, Mr. Vulture, can you take your food so I can go, please? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, he gonna come at me. Look, bro, he ain't even trying to move. Take your meal and move. I'll run you over, and then who gonna eat you? Come on, go. Oh my god, that was so fucking terrifying.